Na though my people from anywhere in the world wey dey take watch dis my video, I greet una. My name na Omobolanle Adedeji. I be your pidgin teacher for dis data analytics matter. For dis video, I wan quickly show you how you fit do the function wey you fit take do max and min. Na im be say the function wey you fit take find maximum number or minimum number or largest or smallest number for inside your data set. Make we sharparly go now. To start any function for inside Excel, you go start am with equal sign. If you no understand wetin I dey talk, na im be say you dey new to Excel, sharparly run go inside my channel, go watch all the other video wey I don sama you to explain give newcomer for inside Excel. Now for dis one wey we wan do, I don put my equal sign. Because na max I wan do, I go come type max. As dis thing don show am now, you go come press tab. E don show. You go come go to the place wey you wan do, whether na one thing you go come like dis one now, dis salary now, you wan do the whole range. As you don select the whole range, your number, your own fit big pass dis one. Press enter. E don sama you say na 65,000 na im be the biggest number for inside here. You fit still take am do date. Do the same thing, equal to max, tab, come do dis one, enter. E don show you say na 8th of November 2023 na im be the latest date wey dey for here. Now you fit even take am do some other things like dis age matter now, equal to max, tab, come here, enter. E don show you say na 38 be the biggest age wey dey for here. Na im be say dis person wey be 38 na im be the oldest person for inside dis data set. Now to come to dis side now, if you never subscribe put for my channel, no forget to subscribe. Dis one now na im be minimum, na im be say the smallest one wey dey for inside the data set. You go come write equal to min, tab, I go come do date, enter. As I do am now, e don show us say 14th of September 2021 na im be the oldest date wey dey for here. Na im be say e don tey wey dis person don dey for dis organization. Now you fit do the same thing for salary as I do the other time. Min, tab, enter. So e don show you now say 36,000 na im be the smallest salary wey dey for here now, and I go come do age like I do for the other one. Min, enter. E don show you say 29 be the age of the youngest person wey dey for the company. Now you no fit take am do text. Make I do max show you wetin I dey talk. If I come here come do salesman now, press enter, e go give you 0. Na im be say e no see number for there, e no fit do anything. If I do am for minimum too, na the same 0 e bring come, e no see anything wey you fit take am do. Now if you get any function or formula wey you wan make I explain give you, put am for inside comment section. I go sama you with the video. I go see you for inside my next video. No forget to subscribe and then watch out for my next video, because formulas plenty wey I wan explain give una. Bye.